Every vehicle has a maximum weight it can be at any given time, set by the manufacturer. It includes all passengers and a full tank of fuel. This is called the gross vehicle mass, or GVM for short. When you load up with all your camping gear, you're a tradie with all your tools, loaded up toolboxes, or you're adding a bunch of accessories like a bull bar and a winch, you might have drawers in the fridge. All this additional weight needs to stay under your GVM limit. This is where available payload becomes important. Your available payload is your GVM limit minus your curb weight. As you add all the additional weight, it starts eating into your available payload, and I can tell you, it adds up fast. For those of us who are towing, your bore weight needs to be subtracted off your GVM limit, further reducing your available payload. This is where a GVM upgrade becomes necessary. Having improved GVM upgrade installed in your vehicle is the only way to increase its maximum load capacity or gross vehicle mass. This increases your available payload, allowing you to stay under your GVM and ultimately remain legal and insured. So what are the benefits of getting a GVM upgrade? Increased load carrying capability, improved ride height with up to a 50mm lift, better handling, ride quality and stability, reduce wear and tear on your components, and remaining compliant and legal. So what are the downsides to not having a GVM? It can be difficult to keep your vehicle underweight when you're fully loaded. It can reduce the handling and stability when you're under the excessive load, more wear and tear on your components, and you can risk your insurance coverage. So how can all 4x4 spares help? First, we can weigh your vehicle to see where you stand. We'll fit you out for the GVM upgrade that best suits your wants and needs. We can offer you a true one-stop shop experience. We can supply and install the GVM upgrade that you need, and for registered vehicles, have it certified by our automotive engineer. We cater for a whole bunch of four-wheel drives from all your major manufacturers such as Ford, Mazda, Isuzu, Toyota, and even some of the new American trucks. All you need to do is drop your car off and pick it up when we're done. Easy, right? So whether you're chasing sunsets in your dream touring rig, carting tools to the work site, or you simply need to haul heavy loads, a GVM upgrade is a must. So come down and see us in Kantara. Drop us an email or give us a call and we can run you through the entire process of getting a GVM upgrade in your rig.